Hi there, students. To rub something in. Well, you can use this as a literal verb. So I took the ointment and I rubbed it in. The medicine, I rubbed it into my skin. Put oil on the leather and rub it in. But we also have this phrasal verb to rub it in, to talk to someone about something you know that they want to forget because they feel bad about it. They're embarrassed about it. Okay, I know I made a mistake, but please don't rub it in. Yeah? Please don't rub my nose in it. Okay, this is the idea of to rub in, to emphatically draw somebody's attention to an embarrassing or painful mistake. Yeah, to keep going on about something that, ooh, yeah, you feel bad. Yes, look, I know I failed my driving test, but please don't rub it in. Don't stress it. Don't highlight it or underline it. Yeah, stop reminding me about this. I really would rather forget it. Yeah, please don't rub it in anymore. I feel bad enough about it. So in the match, that my team were doing really well, and in the last 15 minutes, they really rubbed it in. They scored another 3 goals. The when a politician makes a mistake, the press like to rub it in, to make it very clear, yeah, to make everybody know that this is what's been happening. Okay, so to rub in, to apply by rubbing, yeah, and then to make a point of something in an irritatingly emphatic way, yeah. There's no need to rub my nose in it, yeah. Okay, stop rubbing it in. I feel bad enough about this as it is. Okay, so to rub it in, to keep going on and on about something that, well, you'd really rather forget about it. Yeah, so yeah, you are harping on about something that I don't feel very good about. I don't feel very happy about. I don't need reminding about this. I'm already thinking about it and how bad it is. Yeah, so no need to rub it in. Yes, I know you always beat me when we play chess, but there's no need to rub it in by making comments or alluding to it without saying it directly, without, yeah, just implying it the whole time. Okay, so to rub, a regular verb. Rub it in, separable phrasal verb. Yeah, rub something in. There's no need to rub the point in. Formality, rub it in. I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. Something semi-formal, maybe just about, but I think maybe emphasize or to stress something that I'm not happy about, and formally, definitely not. And then as to origin, well, firstly, we've got the idea of rubbing something in. Please, would you put some suntan lotion on my back and rub it in? And let's see, the verb to rub, probably from Middle English, rubben, maybe from Low German, rubben or rubbling, yeah? Or maybe it's from North Germanic origin, such as something like rubber from Swedish, to move or to scrub. Okay, so, yeah, if I make a spelling mistake, just point it out, but don't rub it in. Yeah, if you look at the channel, there are loads of spelling mistakes. Okay, so anyway, enough to rub something in, yeah, to emphasize something or keep going on about something, to harp on about something that somebody would really just rather forget. Yeah, don't rub it in. I'd really rather forget about it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rub in. Rub it in.